Alright, so today we're going to be doing a rear sway bar install. We also have Sunny over here putting on the chocks in the front. Make sure to do this. First step is going to be jacking up the rear of the car. Make sure it's in gear and the e-brake is up. Or, I mean, you don't even need the e-brake. I don't know. I mean, the rear is up. So, yeah, make sure it's in gear. Has chocks up in the front. You're going to jack it up on the center point underneath. She has it on right there. Make sure to use jack stands on both sides. Lower the jack. Get that out of the way. Next is just going to take off your wheels on both ends. Next up, after you remove the wheels, you have different options. But first, we want to start with your exhaust hangers and removing your exhaust, the muffler section. So it's two 14 millimeters. There's going to be one connecting the mid pipe to the muffler section. It's going to be one on this side and then one on the other side. And then also, it's going to be 3 hangers. There's going to be 2 on the other side, one right here, and then one right there, and one right here, which he's not using since he has a modified exhaust. I would recommend buying one of these tools. I mean, if you have the money. Shout out to Troy for getting this for me. It's pretty simple to use. I'll show you guys a demonstration in a little bit, but I don't know if we can use it. We'll see. So we use this exhaust hanger tool. You put that point on that end and then push it on the direct bolt part. It should just pull right off. Nice, Sunny. Another method is using like a screwdriver and then using either, what do you say, leather conditioner?
Yeah.
Either leather conditioner, I've used PB Blaster, and then I know other people use like white lithium grease and basically any lubricant, even WD-40 works as well. Let me try pulling it. But yeah, this tool really helps. It's just a little bit harder because he has a modified hanger. Yeah, people usually just use a screwdriver. Flatheads. What do you say?
Which is it's like the hardest way to do it.
Yeah, it's really hard, and then putting it back on is not as fun either. I mean, it's pretty easy actually putting it back on.
Yeah.
But man. It's just 2 14s and then 3 hangers. Come on, Sunny. Come on. You got it. It's right there.
Stuck on the e-brake.
Come on, Sunny. Do it for NorCal. It's right there. Oh yeah, let's go. All right, so we got the 2 14s off. Muffler comes out. Here, get that from you.
All right, thank you.
Damn, I love the L shape, bro.
Oh, broke his pipe bender.
Oh, you broke his pipe bender?
Yeah. He was like, yeah, I was trying to, because he promised me mandrel bends.
Uh-huh.
And then I looked at it, and I was like, this isn't a mandrel bend.
Yeah, this is all like some custom fabrication, man.
Yeah.
Just fancy cuts. There we go. I mean, if it works, it works, but damn.
I mean, it feels a lot better than stock.
Hell yeah. I mean, look, damn. These are the machine welds, huh?
Yeah. No, the
Those are
muffler's got some
seamless.
real good welds.
Yeah, look at that. Must be nice. Better than my PPE setup, dude. Oh, what the hell is that? Alright, all that's left is really three more parts, basically, but it's pretty easy. So this part's pretty easy. It's going to be 4 10 millimeters to remove this heat shield. It's going to be one right... crap, I just lost it. Anyways, there's one right here. There's going to be one right there. Over here, it's going to be one right there, and then one on this other side right here. So I'll do those real quick on video. Grab your trusty Milwaukee impact. 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is basically right here. drag it out, and then there's your stock sway bar. It's very skinny compared to any of the aftermarkets. Yeah, all that's left is going to be four 12 millimeter bolts on each side. So it's going to be 1, 2, and then 3 and 4 right here. So yeah, remove those real quick. Before you remove the other 12 millimeter bolts, you're going to remove the sway bar end links, and you're going to be using a 14 millimeter wrench and a Allen key on the inside like this. Let me see the setup. Yeah, it's pretty simple. You're just removing it. You just use a stock sway bar end links for the rear. All right, so here we go. Just the last two 12 millimeters right here. We got the two sway bar end links off. Let's see if I can. Oh, it's the hangers and everything. Oh, now that we can get it like this. Let me see. And I think the sway bar should just slide right out. Yeah. Ah, still caught. Oh, you don't undo this one all the way? Oh no. Let me see. Barely on there. There we go. Okay, so that one slides right out. And look how skinny that is compared to like a Hotchkis, so the ST or White Line. Super skinny, man. Look at that. That is ridiculous. Damn, girthy boys, I see you. Nice. All right, so basically it's just reverse order for the install. So we do that pretty quick. Start with the 12 millimeters, and then sway bar end links, heat shield, exhaust, and then wheels, and I guess lower it back. Pretty simple. Just start with that. Look at that. Girthy boys, let's go. Yeah, now I was just doing the sway bar end links right here as I put on the heat shield. I don't know if you can see it from the back side. Just thread it on and then hold it down with the Allen key part. And then, or maybe sometimes you don't even need to do that. Nice. All right, I'll put on the heat shield real quick, the 410s. We'll just get the 212s on there. I got the heat shield back on, the 410s all the way around. We got the sway bar end links attached. Thank you, Sonny. All right, now let's put back on the muffler on the hangers, and then put the 214s, and then put back on the tires and wheels, and that's pretty much it. Remember, guys, lube it up. Don't want to go in dry. Look at that. Perfect. Okay. We're using just a little bit of grease just to make it a little bit easier. Like we were saying, PB Blaster, WD-40, leather conditioner. Any lubricant usually works. So my hand, Sonny, whenever he's ready. Get this thing put back on. Cool. You got it?
Yeah, I got it.
Here. Oh, I'll just hold it up for you. Hanger. Man of all trades right here, man. Does that help?
A little bit, yeah.
Boom. Perfect. There we go.
All right.
And then get the other hanger and then 214s.